So move out of the box. As I said, when we stayed there 15 years, we visited so many sannyasis in different missions, Gaudiya missions, and so many Babajis, Gaudiya Babajis, Vrindavan, Varsana, Nandagram, Manasaganga, with questions. Because in the box, when I was in the box, I was studying the Shastra about Krishna and Radharani and Vrindavan, and the Prem Tattva, and the Rasa Tattva, and the Lila Tattva, and Nam Tattva. And I have questions. Naturally. If there is sincere study, then there must be Krishna. There must be questions. Because there's a vast, unlimited wisdom, and we are finite. We are finite with puny brains and limited minds and insufficient faculties of intelligence and rationale and logic. So many questions come. 5,000 years ago, Arjuna was full of shamshai. You know shamshai?
Doubts?
Shamshai means doubts. Doubts means I have a question, which means question means doubt. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you have a doubt. Do you know how to cook this thing? I have a doubt. I'll try. So, okay, well, you figure it out. Call me when you come. Invite me for lunch when you figure it out. But if you know, you know. There's no doubt. I know. So you know, you said correctly that this Bhagavad Gita is full of questions. Questions. So when Krishna is telling him, Arjuna, he doesn't say, "Oh, do you have any more questions?" He says, "Do you have any more doubts?" Arjuna is asking actual questions. Well, Krishna, of the two, of the Advaitin and the Bhakta, who is greater? Is the Advaitin or the Vaishnava? And then Krishna says, this 14th chapter, Gita, how he opens the chapter. Brahmano hi pratishtaham. Right? He says, I am the source of the Brahman. And so my devotees are higher than the Brahman because I am the very source. And they are worshipping the source of the Jyoti that the Advaitins are aiming at. So Arjuna asks questions, and then Krishna says, do you have any more doubts? So there, as I study, and as I continue to study, I continue to have questions. We go to sadhus. Since when I joined this spiritual mission in 1975, I was going to the sadhus, the saints and Brahmins, my seniors, and asking them questions about Bhakti Tattva. What is this Bhakti? What is this Vrindavan? What are these cows? What are these temples? What are these Vaishnavas? What is this Yamuna? What is this Govardhan? So the first and primary thing to do in Vrindavan, as Prabhupada said, in one purport he said, if one lives in Vrindavan, he should study the books of the previous acharyas, like the 6 Goswamis, and speak according to their realizations. We're studying the Shastras of the Goswamis, and our Gaudiya Granths, our Gaudiya literature, chanting the holy name. In other words, living in Vrindavan means Panchanga Bhakti.